Hey folks, boy do I got a fun coach for you to check out today. This is a 2021 Forest River, the FR3. This is the big model that they make. This is a 32DS. Now this is a gas. It's on a Ford chassis, Ford 53 chassis. It's got the V8 motor. That's a 7.3 liter. And get this, it's only got 19,700 miles. Now this coach is located in Denver, Colorado. My name is Eric and I'm helping Pat, who owns the coach. He's a second owner. I'll introduce him here in a minute. Again, this is a private sale. I'm just helping Pat with marketing this. So showings are going to be by appointment only. This is not on a showroom lot, folks. So you'll need to call me at 720-660-3062 to set up any kind of showings. But check out the whole video. Please read the complete ad. I've got 100 pictures of this coach on my website at nextstepprosales.com. Now, some of the other basic features of this coach is the overall length is 35 feet 11 inches, exterior height is 12 feet 5 inches, and get this, the interior height is 6 feet 10 inches. Now the holding tanks on this, it's got 52 gallons of fresh, 52 of gray, and 52 of black. Some of the other neat features, again, this big motor, the 7.3 motor that's on here, does have auto leveling system, a 5,000 pound tow hitch. And Pat, what do you do for a living? You're a maintenance guy. You can fix anything, right?
That's right, building operations guy.
Folks, everything on this coach works perfectly. He's got a bunch of extra spare parts that you're including. We'll have a list of those in the ad. What's one of the main reasons that you bought this coach?
Well, we bought it as a family so that my kids and grandkids, we could all share. My wife and I take it on trips. My kids and grandkids would take it on trips. And
but now your kids have moved away.
Yep, my kids have moved away, moved to Montana, and now it's...
You've done some really neat upgrades. These batteries are not your standard house batteries.
Nope.
These are AGMs.
We upgraded these to AGMs a year ago, to a heavy-duty AGM battery, and it's got a Victron battery monitor, Bluetooth system on it.
And you've got portable solar panels.
Correct.
That you're including. That are not on the roof.
Correct.
So, but you can get up to 400 watts with
So
those.
I have 4 100-watt panels and a Adventure controller that manages it. The solar connections are in the
right here. Okay.
In the compartment. I set up the portable solar panels, and we've never had
this
any
is the controller right
issues.
here. Nope, right there. Okay.
And,
so you can
only
adjust how much solar it needs for the batteries.
Correct.
So it monitors itself.
Yep.
And will give it more power if the batteries want it.
And we've never used over 2 of the 4 panels.
You got pass-through storage right here, and then there's another storage compartment. This is just another small one. So you got the auto leveling system, 5,000 pound hitch, I mentioned that. The tires are the original tires from 2021.
Correct.
So, but they only got 19,700 miles on them. Storage compartment right there. And then this is another pass-through storage. And wait till you see the other side. I mean, you can hear the echo in there. It's that big. You said you loaded that with a bunch of firewood. Yep. Full walk-on roof. You got backup camera and side cameras. Just a neat coach. This has got a lot to offer, this coach. Look how big this is. You put all the bad kids in here.
That's right. The grandkids, this is where they go.
Yep. 50 amp shore power?
50 amp shore power.
Because you got 2 AC units up top.
Correct. One AC unit is AC only. The other is a heat pump for both heat and cooling, and plus the furnace. Folks,
you got to check the undercarriage picture I got. It's super clean under there. You've taken really good care of this coach. Lots of storage. I can't believe how much storage is on this. Can you grab that one, Pat? Yeah, there's a generator. Now, the monitor for that, or the hours on it, wasn't reading on the inside. But we think it's probably no more than 75 hours.
That's correct. If that.
Maybe an hour, maybe 100 at the max, because you guys hardly ever used it.
We used it to run the microwave. That's about it.
Well, let's do that last compartment, and then we'll go inside. Okay, we're back. Here we go. And then the last compartment's a propane one. And I think that's about a 40-gallon tank is what it looks like to me. I'll have all the specs on my ad, folks. So again, a bunch more information on my website at nextstepprosales.com. 2 big slides. Wait till you go inside. Windshield looks great. And you got a 17-foot patio awning and an outside TV. And you guys said you never really used it. You're into fly fishing.
TVs aren't for camping.
Now these seats swivel right here, and it's got the 5-speed automatic transmission. Now he's got a GPS monitor right here, and you've added tire gauge monitors too.
Correct. There's a tire gauge monitoring system that gives you alarms.
Oh yeah.
Gives you alarms as well as temperature, and monitors the pressure all the time.
Yeah. Now this is a neat feature, this overhead bunk right here, folks. This coach, for a 36-foot coach, really can sleep a lot of people. I'm going to set this down. This boot dinette folds down into a bed. And there's all kinds of room in here with this slide out up here. And this will fold down into a bed too. You've got microwave right here. 3-burner stove. Nice big oven. Double sink. Now you upgraded this faucet handle.
That's correct.
This pulls out.
That's correct.
So that's nice. But look at the size of this fridge. I mean, my goodness. This was one of the selling features for your wife.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, she really liked it. I mean, that's just huge. No ice makers, but plenty of room. I like that it doesn't have any carpet. Really easy to clean these.
Yep.
Double bunk right here.
Grandkids love that.
And then they got their own TV right here. Private bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Nice stainless steel sink. And a pretty darn good sized shower for this size of coach. But one of the other things I've noticed about this coach is there's plenty of headroom in here. You know, 6'6". And king size bed. There's storage underneath. A lot more storage. And another feature your wife liked was this big window back here.
Had to have the sunrise coming into bed.
You got your own TV back here also. Wow.
Upgraded the mattress.
Full walk around. Yeah, this looks like a nice kind of almost a pillow top mattress.
Yep.
You said it's kind of firm?
Yep, it's hybrid firm.
It's hybrid firm, okay. Well, we'll head back out that way. You got the map there.
You know where you're going.
Again, folks, this coach is located in Denver, Colorado. There's a bunch more pictures on my website at nextstepprosales.com. So check out all the pictures. Give me a call at 720-660-3062. Again, showings are by appointment only. So give me a 24 to 48 hour notice and we'll be happy to show you this. I'm going to go back outside, do one more quick walk around. This is a gorgeous coach. For 2021, this has got a lot to offer with under 20,000 miles. I like the floor plan, I like the layout, and it's got more storage than you could ever possibly imagine. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you here in Denver.